Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create your comic. You can watch this video as many times as you need, pause whenever you need to as well. But first things first, you're going to go to Make Beliefs Comics. It's going to be makebeliefscomics.com. The address is up here. When you get there, this is the home page. So we're going to create an account. So when you create an account, you're going to click right here. It's going to pop this up. You're going to log in with your Google. I've already logged in and created an account. So you're just going to hit the login with the Google, and you're going to pick your name. And it'll log you in, okay? So it's going to start you off here where it's going to create a comic. Okay. You need to put your name, your author's name. So put your first and last name here. And then name your comic Energy Debate. I put example because this is an example. So this is actually a lot of fun to do. And it's pretty self-explanatory. So down at the bottom, you have all these pictures that you can pick from. Oh, not there. Sorry. Go down, go down. So you have like characters. You can choose any character you want. There's a whole big list. When you want to go back, just press back. If you want to put some crazy words in there, you can hit splat and bam and boom, pop. They have objects. So maybe I want to put like an object here, you know, something that he's cleaning. Maybe I'll put this banana peel there. Should move over there. There we go. So I have quite a few. You can change the shape of them. So here it's on move. If you hit scale, I can click it and then I can make it smaller. I can make it smaller. Maybe I don't want that one way up there, so I'll move it down. I can flip them. So that way it's not all facing the same way. If I say that flipped it, if I want it to move to the front, I can click this. So now I can, when I move it, it'll go in front of him. If I don't want it like that, I can move it back to the back. There we go. Okay. So that's how I got his arm to go in front of the quote. Okay, you can add panels just by hitting the plus button. When you are finished, they even have like, here's the balloon thingies. So the talking balloons, they even have like, type here, like suddenly the next day to be continued. Okay. When you are finished, make sure it is saved. Save it so that way if you log in again, if you didn't finish it, you can get back into it. But once you are finished, you can hit this print email looking thing right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut them out. So you're going to use that snipping tool. So if you go down here to the bottom where the magnifying glass is and search down here, I'm going to type in snipping tool. Mine's going to pop up because I've already added it. So it's going to look like this. You're going to want to pin it. So see how it says unpin pin from taskbar because mine's pinned down here because I use it all the time. You're going to hit pin to taskbar. That way it just pops up here. You don't have to keep searching it. But it'll look like this, scissors with a like paper or whatever behind it. So once I'm done, I'm just going to snip it. This little pop-up will come up. You're going to hit new. And I'm going to snip as many as I can in a row. So you might have several. But once it snips it, I can copy it. And then I'm going to paste it into the Google slide that I gave you. So you could do, so like I could snip 3 at a time. If I had multiple pages, I could keep going down. So I could do these 3 next, and then I could keep going down and do 3 more if I had 3 more. And then I'm just going to paste them into the Google slide, the empty slides that I gave you. And then that'll be it. And then make sure you turn it in. I can't wait to read y'all's comics. I hope you guys have fun.